I'm Ebony,
I'm Malik.
and today we're doing a hiking.
It's a nice day to be outside.
Facts.
A really nice day to be outside. You know, 'cause you never get days like this where it's
Really
like the
don't.
sun just hitting you in the good spot.
Facts.
And we also got drinks to hydrate us and all.
It's hot.
'Cause I don't know what other states have, but
This one.
in this state, mm, it's a sunny weather.
But we also don't get this type of weather in the wintertime. It's all gloomy.
Yeah, we don't normally get that kind of weather all the time.
Show down the river and stuff.
And we're walking on the river. It doesn't turn around.
Huh?
It doesn't turn around.
But turn the body over.
Walking on the river. It's big and large, you know. On days like this. Sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's raining.
Snowing.
And snowing, of course. But today, it just feels good.
Facts. Today.
If I was to check the temperature, it would have been around,
It's
I'd
windy
say,
out here, so you hear in the background, that's what it is.
yes, that's wind, of course. But if I was to check the temperature, I would say, what,
About 60 something.
50, 60 something?
It's not 50. See the wind?
It is windy though,
For real, it really is.
but it feels good though, at the same time.
Yep. I would say that it's almost 60 degrees out here today.
Definitely feel good out here.
It really does. It really does.
I hope we don't see no lions and tigers and bears.
I don't see no lions.
Oh my.
You might sleep on the beds out here though. It's warm. It's getting close to spring too. He might. And we'll be running. I'm gone.
No, I hope we don't see Smokey today. Smokey the bear.
See, you got a little path out through there. It takes you deep into the woods and stuff.
Hell no. That's where Smokey be at.
You right. You right.
Smokey the bear be at.
It takes you all the way up in there.
He got his own bear. Not bear, but like house and stuff. Yeah, cave.
No, it takes you all the way up in there. See? It takes you all. You gotta show them. It takes you all up in there. All the way to the top. This reminds me of Wick Layton. Wick Layton.
What is it?
Wick Layton.
Oh, Wick Layton?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's like, it's hiking and stuff, but it's just like this. You can power boat and do all that extra stuff.
And of course, that's the lake that we're walking on. Well, not on, but beside.
Yeah.
If it gets days like this, we might do it again, maybe, in the future.
We might.
Well, she says,
That's a big might.
yeah, a bit might.
Big might. The girl out of breath walking this. Like,
I'm not, of course.
but I am. So he wasn't planning on doing this.
But it so happened to just, pop up.
Yeah,
So we just like walked it.
Yeah. We should have started walking all the way back up.
We should have. That's how I was thinking.
But
So, if y'all watching this live,
we're not doing one. It's a video. But like I was saying, it's a video.
What
But
video?
comment once this video is uploaded. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Comment if you want another one just like this or something like it, you know.
Or comment some videos on further videos of what we should do, you know.
We got bald eagle over here. Show me.
Of course, we got this
Woo.
bald eagle.
Yeah.
Nature's at the lake bald eagle. I would read it, but
Too much.
too much.
We try to get back to the shelter and chill. Like I said, your girl's out of breath.
Yes. And if you hear too much noise, that would be the wind.
Yep. Oh, yeah. Sweet baby Jesus. When you go up here, you can see the road and stuff. So we get close to the end of this hike.
I mean, it's a nice, decent view to where you can see everything down below, you know. The lake and stuff, and the highways and mountains and stuff.
Yup. Same time. Because in the summer, we're going to be doing a whole lot of this type of videos. A whole lot.
Yes.
So stay tuned to our channel. Keep on bringing more people to our channel. Because this summer going to be lit.
Yes, most definitely that.
Alright. Once you get right here, you can show how it is.
And also, when I say the view is like
Crazy. It's crazy. There's the park over there. Crazy, right? Alright.
and this is the lake, of
Yeah,
course.
it
Already showed you
travels
that.
all the way. It travels all the way out there.
Yes.
It's much beautiful in the summer. All the trees bloomed and stuff.
Yes.
It's more pretty.
Yes.
And it's more things to do out here in the summer.
Yes.
So, like I said, stay tuned. We're going to be, doing a whole lot of nature on our vlog channel, on our main channel, whatever.
Yes.
Like I said, it's going to be lit.
And please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And
And share this to your friends and family, to whoever.
And
You
let
know.
them know to join the Gash family. We lit.
Big Liddy. And we're out of here.